I'm going to take these boards here and I'm going to turn them into a treasure. Janet's not available today. She's on vacation. So I'm standing here in my yard next to this wonderful fence here. And one of my hobbies is woodworking. Look behind me here. We have this fence here. It's looks like it's 100 years old, but actually it was built in the 60s and it's approximately 50 years old, and these boards are still here. This is redwood. It'll last 70 years. This particular fence here is 50 years old, and I'm going to take it and turn it into something of a treasure. So let's get started. And here's one of the boards after it's cut. You can see there's a reddish tinge to the wood. That's why they call it the redwood. And this particular board comes from the Mendocino forest, which is also a national forest now, but all these redwoods grow in California. Redwoods are part of the cypress family, so there's three different types of redwoods. There's coast redwoods, giant sequoias, and dawn redwoods. Coast redwoods, of course, grow in the Pacific coast, and they love the fog over there. The giant sequoias are from the Sierra Nevadas and grow between 5,000 to 8,000 feet. Coast redwoods often grow to be much taller than the sequoias. You can also have an albino redwood, which is unable to produce chlorophyll. And I don't know how you can tell it's a redwood if it's white albino, but anyhow, they do have those. The redwoods have been around for about 240 million years. They're extremely resistant to insects, fire, and rot. The average lifespan of these particular trees is 500 to 700 years, although there is one sequoia that is 2,200 years old, and they'll grow over 300 feet tall. They also make a very eerie forest, and that's why they film some of the Star Wars films in there. If you have any questions about this project and about woodworking, contact East West Picayune and subscribe. And we're looking forward to seeing you next blog.